More news breaking at this hour. The BJP is going to seek the resignation from Ramesh Jarkiholi, indicating is what party sources are indicating. So remember, the BJP, in fact, was in a huddle also discussing on what to do next, given the fact that a sex scandal has broken out with, in fact, Ramesh Jarkiholi is seen in a compromising position with a woman. Nagarjun is getting us more details on that story. We were having this conversation that many within the Bharatiya Janata Party feel that at this point in time it is best to ask Ramesh Jarkiholi to step down. It's an extremely embarrassing position to be in, really, with this CD surfacing, isn't it? And the investigation's underway.
Well, that is true, Sneha.
Yes.
This is quite embarrassing for the Bharatiya Janata Party in Karnataka, because starting from tomorrow, there is the budget session that will be ongoing in Karnataka. The opposition is fully geared up and also have a strategy in mind to corner the government, counter the government in terms of this whole scandal row that is happening, sex scandal row that is happening here. And to be on a safer side, the High Command today discussed the present situation and took stock of the situation and are of opinion that Ramesh Jarkiholi should resign as a minister. That's the space saving from the extension that the government can do, so that tomorrow they won't be cornered in the assembly. CM will be officially told by the High Command, is what we are told. General Secretary in charge Karnataka, Mr. Arun Singh, also spoke to few state leaders this afternoon, taking a stock of the situation and what is the best for the party to do. And our Delhi sources have also confirmed that High Command is of a certain opinion that Minister Jarkiholi should resign, and only further investigation will continue. And once he's given a clean sheet by the police, once B report is filed, only then he can come back as a minister. Till then, it is better for the party to move away from Jarkiholi and seek his resignation. Starting at 2 p.m, there is critical cabinet meet, crucial cabinet meet that is scheduled, where CM will head it. In this cabinet meet also, CM is likely to discuss what the High Command is feeling right now. He'll take opinion of all the cabinet members. By evening, we are told that Ramesh Jarkiholi will be officially told to resign as a minister. But most likely in the early morning tomorrow, that resignation will come through, is what we are told. But remember, this is a dynamic situation. Phone calls are happening between the state party and also the central leadership. So we'll have to wait and watch. But at this point of time, what we can certainly tell is that the High Command is surely of an opinion that Ramesh Jarkiholi should extend his resignation and clear the post for someone else here in BJP.
All right, absolutely. Till the investigations are underway, the BJP in all likelihood will be asking Jarkiholi to step down. Nagarjun, thanks for getting us those details. Well, that and much more is all